This question is number 6, 2020 GCSE exam question paper number 1, high level. ADC is a triangle, that is ADC is a triangle. We have AED and ABC are straight lines. EB is parallel to DC. The angle at EBC is 100 degrees, and angle at D, where we have ADC, is 63. Work out the size of the angle EAB. You must give reason for each stage of your working. Then to solve this, we say solution. We start by drawing two parallel lines and we pick a point which is A. Then we draw line AD and line AC. We call here C, AC. We call here AD, which brings out the triangle. Then we have line EB, which is this line, which is parallel to DC. Then angle given is angle at D, which is 63 degrees, which is called angle ADC. And we have the other angle EBC, which is 148. Then what we are looking for is angle at A, which is EAB. This angle here is 63. Angle ADC is equal to angle AEB, which is equal to 63 degrees. The reason is that both of them are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are equal. Then we continue. Then we have this angle plus angle 148 is equal to 180. We say angle ABE plus angle EBC is equal to 180. When we sum angle on a straight line, it gives us 180. That is ABE plus EBC, which is given as 148, equal to 180. What we do to get ABE, we collect the like terms, equal to 180 minus 148 is equal to 32 degrees. We put 32 degrees here, 32 degrees. Now to get this angle, we call it X, which is angle EAB, which is given, is equal to 63 degrees, which is this angle, plus 32 degrees, plus X equal to 180. Reason sum of angles on a triangle is equal to 180. That is, we sum the angles. 63 plus 32 gives us 95 plus X equal to 180 degrees. We collect like terms. X is equal to 180 minus 95. Therefore, X is equal to 85 degrees. So our final answer is 85 degrees. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.